today we are making burgers. This recipe will help you make 6 burgers. So in a bowl add 160 gram of whole wheat flour, 160 gram of all purpose flour, 7 grams of salt, 35 grams of powdered sugar for better caramelization. Transfer this mixture to a bigger bowl that will help you knead or mix all the ingredients easily. Now add the bloomed yeasty milk mixture into the bowl, which contains 9 grams of yeast and 120 grams of lukewarm milk. Knead a bit and add 2.5 tablespoons of fresh cream to the mixture and knead. You can do all this into a stand mixer or by hands. Now crack a whole egg into a clean bowl and an egg yolk. Now add the egg one by one into the bowl and knead properly. Now add the second part of the egg and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now dump out your dough into a floured work surface. Knead the dough by stretch and fold method until it becomes soft. Add in 42 grams of softened unsalted butter to the dough. For making the patty mixture, add 2 tablespoons of butter into a non-stick karai. Set on a medium flame. Add in 12 to 15 cloves of garlic crushed a bit. Add in a handful of green peas, boiled green peas. Stir them up. Cover with a lid and set it away for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the boiled mashed potatoes. There are 6 potatoes. Now add the potatoes to the peas and the garlic mixture. Stir them up. Now it's time to add the spices. In this we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, 2 teaspoon of dhania powder, of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and some salt to taste. We will add a handful of soaked poha or flattened rice to the mixture. Mix them up. Now we will add a bit of breadcrumbs into it. This will ensure the moisture is soaked properly by the breadcrumbs. Now we have to cool down the mixture. Add the mixture to a large plate or a big bowl, which will help it to cool down faster. Now transfer to a mixture to a cling wrap and roll it into a tight cylinder, which will help us to have same size patties. Now in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, salt and pepper to taste for slurry. Cut the patty in roundel shapes. Now coat the patty into the slurry mixture and then transfer to a breadcrumb mixture. Transfer the patty to a plate and keep it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. It's time to fry them. Now fry the patty on a medium-high flame until golden brown and crisp. Transfer the patty to a wire rack. Now it's time to cut the buns. Toast the buns with a little bit of butter on it. To make the sauce, add chopped cucumber, onion, mayonnaise, salt, pepper and ketchup to a bowl. Mix them. Now caramelize the onion, a big slice. Crown the cheese on top and with the help of a blowtorch, melt the cheese on the patty. Now it's time to assemble. Add sauce on the lower part of the bun. Cover it with a big slice of caramelized onion. Add the patty with the cheese, top with some tomatoes and crown the bun. Now it's time for pea roll. Now you can check the difference between mine and the McD ones. If you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends and comment down your thoughts below.